Want to stop advertisers from tracking your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to hide your IP address on block trackers using built-in iPhone settings, no app or tech skills required. Step 1. Open the settings, then type in the search bar Safari. From the search results, tap on First Result on Safari. Next, scroll down and tap on Hide IP Address. Choose from Trackers if you just want to block ad networks. If you have iCloud Plus, you can choose from Trackers on websites for even more privacy. And if you want to go beyond Safari and hide your IP address in all apps like Instagram, YouTube or games, start using a VPN. I recommend NordVPN. It hides your real IP, block trackers, and keeps your entire connection private. Use the link in the description. It includes my exclusive discount automatically with no code needed. I don't recommend anything I haven't tried myself. If you use my link, I may earn a small commission, which helps support the channel. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.